Good day, everyone. Today we'll be doing our part 6 of our uh, TUPT domain, the web server. So let's start. So first we'll be adding another role. So click here, draw the next. Then we will be installing the web server or the IIS. Next, we'll be downloading this application development and then the FTP TP server. So next then install. So we will wait until it's downloaded. So uh while installing the IIS, let's do the folder per uh department. So we'll go here on computer, then local disk, then initpub www, then let's make an folder, then we'll name it as tupt.com. So here inside we'll do a folder per department. Engineering program. Yes. It's already installed. So let's finish our this. EBS degree program. Yes, degree program. BT BTED then BET program. BT BTED BT program. Administrative department. So after that, we'll back to the main server, then go to the IIS. AIS. I wait. After creating a folder, let's copy these two here, then continue. Then as you can see, dito na siya. Dito lang tayo sa IIS Manager. Administrative tool, IIS. And then after that is add site. Add website. And select the TUPT folder from the local disk initpub, then the www.root and tpt.com. So yun. Next, select natin yung IP address. Then host name is tupt.com. Then after nyan, search tupt. Then, ayan, cache, output caching. Ito. Then we'll add that ASPX. Share caching. And okay. Then, edit natin yung yung ginawa nating file. Itong IS start. Open with notepad. So, babagawin natin ito. Title. Low. So, after ma-save nung IS start natin is ito lang tayo dun sa may Initiative tools, IIS Manager. Click natin itong WPT. Then, try natin i-browse. Yan. So, kita niya lumabas na yung ating website. So, yun lang. Thank you. So, for our last next activity is about the group policy. So, stay tuned guys. Thank you.